Hello students, today I am going to take class first mathematics. Chapter 2 addition up to 10 part 2. We have seen before part 1, this is a part 2. Let us start the topic. Students, this is also addition. This is like an exercise. You have to do it yourself. Look at the exercise. I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. Add and write the total of the numbers each child is holding. Look at the picture. In this picture, 5 students are here. Each student has 2 numbers. Look at the first student. He is a Peter. Peter has 2 numbers. Which are the numbers he has? Yes, he has 2 numbers. The numbers of 1 and 9. Here we have to add the 2 numbers. Peter has 1 and 9 is equal to 1 plus 9. So we have to add the 2 numbers. 1 plus 9 is equal to, what is the answer, students? Take a fingers. Take a 9 fingers. First you will take a 9 fingers. Then add number of 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to total how many? Yes, 10. The answer is 10. Then second one is Asif. Asif has 3 and 7. Yes, he has the number of 3 and 7. So we have to add the 3, 7. 3 plus 7. So what is the answer here? Yes, you count the numbers and write the answers. Then third one is Appu. Appu has 5 and 5. Yes, he has 2 numbers. Which are the numbers? 5 and 5. Yes, both are same numbers. 5 plus 5 is equal to, what is the answer? Yes, you have to find the answer and write the answer here. The next one, Mona has 2 and 8. The number of 2 and 8. So we have to add the numbers. 2 plus 8. What is the answer here? Yeah, you have to count the numbers and write the answer. Then last one, Hardip. Hardip has 4 and 6. Is the number of 4 and 6. Here also we have to add the numbers. 4 plus 6. Count the answer. Count the numbers and write the answers. It's yourself. The next heading is order in addition. Before we have seen vertical addition. That is a 2 method. The first method is left and right. Then second method is up and down. This is also like that. Only order will be different but answer will be same. There also in vertical additions also method only different, answer will be same. See, look here I have given example. Look at the example. Here students I have given 2 orders. This is a 1 order. This is a next order. This is first order. This is second order. See, look at the first order. Here how many roses are here? Count it. Look at the picture. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 roses are here. So number is 3. Plus, because we have to add the, so we have to put symbol of addition, plus the here how many roses are here? Count it. 1, 2. Yes, 2 roses are here. So total how many roses are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5. Yes, total 5 roses are here. This is a 1 order. So this is the next order. Look at the picture here. How many roses are here? Count it. 1, 2. Yes, 2 roses are here. Plus, how many roses are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 roses are here. So, total how many roses are here? Count it. 1, 2 plus 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. The answer is 5. So, here also answer is 5. Here also answer is 5. So, answer will be the same. Only answer, sorry, order will be different. Here also different. Here also different. So this is a order in addition. This is a exercise. fill in the blanks. Here I have done one already. Look at the first one, 1 plus 3. Look at the picture, students. Here how many stars are here? Count it. 1. Yes, here only 1 stars. Then second, how many stars are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 stars are here. So total how many stars are here? Here 1 plus here 3. So total how many? Count it. 1 plus we have to add 3 stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 stars are here. So answer is 4. The next one, see, 4 here. In this box, how many stars are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 stars are here. So the number is 4 plus how many stars in the box? Count it. 1, 2. Yes, 2 stars are in the box. So the number is 2. So total how many stars are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 plus we have to add 2. 4 plus 2 is equal 4, 5, 6. Yes, the answer is 6. Then here in this box, how many stars are here? No, nothing is here. So we have to put 0. 0 plus here how many stars are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 stars are here. Plus the number is 6. So total how many? In this box nothing is there. So we put 0 plus here 6 stars are here. 6. Before I have taught you, students, did you remember? I have taught you adding 0. There I have told you 0 number has no value. So we have to put number itself. So here the number is 6. Here only 6 stars are here. So we have put answer only 6. Here also like that only. 6 plus 0 is equal to, so here also nothing is there. So I have told you 0 number has no value. So we put number itself. So the answer is 6. Let us start next topic. The next topic is adding 3 numbers. Students, before we have seen 2 numbers, adding 2 numbers. Now we are going to see adding 3 numbers. Numbers can be added in any order. The answer will be the same. This also like that only. Only order is different, but answer will be same. See, here I have given example. Look at the example. Here, students, here 3 orders are here. 3 order. The first order, second order, third order. So 3 order. I have told you this is adding 3 numbers. So we have to add 3 numbers. This is first, this is second, this is third. See, look at the picture. How many balloons are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 balloons are here. This is a first order. Plus, how many balloons are here? Yes, 1. Only 1 balloon. This is second order. Plus, how many balloons are here? Count it. 1, 2. Yes, 2 balloons are here. This is a 3. So adding 3 numbers, we have to add these 3. So 3 plus 1 plus 2. So total how many balloons are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to, yes, 4. 4 plus 2. Count it. Yes, 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Yes, 6. The answer is 6. So how many balloons are here? Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 balloons are here. So answer is 6. See, this is a method. 3, 1 plus 2. So 3 balloons, 1 balloon plus 2 balloons. This is a simple method. We have to add first 2 numbers. 3 plus 1 is equal to, what is the answer, students? 3 plus 1. Count it. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Yes, the answer is 4. So we have to put number 4 here. Plus we have to add 2 here. This plus 2. So what is the answer? 4 plus 2 is equal to, what is the answer? Count it. 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. This is a one method. This is another order. See, 3 balloons plus then 1 balloon plus 2. First we have to add this. First we put 3, number 3. Next we have to add number of 1 and 2. So what is the answer? 1 plus 2 is equal to, what is the answer? Count it. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Yes, the answer is 3. So now we are going to add this 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to, what is the answer? Yes, we found the answer here. Yes, the answer is 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is adding 3 numbers. This is exercise. Look at the first one. This is number is 8, 1, 0. This is plus. So first we have to add first two numbers. 8 plus 1. What is the answer, student? 8 plus 1 is equal to, yes, the answer is 9. This is a 0. We have put 0. So 9 plus 0 is equal to, I have taught you 0 has no value. So we have to put number itself. So what is the answer here? Yes, the answer is 9. Then this is next order. I have told you any order you want to add the numbers, you have to add the number. See, this is first order, this is the second order. See, we have to put first, directly we have to put answer 4. Then next one, 1 plus 3. So what is the answer, students, here? 1 plus 3 is equal, count it, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Yes, 4 plus 4 is equal to, yes, the answer is 8. Rest of all you have to do it yourself. Next, fun with addition. This is like a game. You have to do it yourself. Now I am going to read the questions. You have to write the answers. This is Ravi's room. Add and write. So look at the picture, students. First question is, for 1 car is on the shelf, 7 cars are on the floor. Look at the picture, students. Is there car on the shelf? Yes, is there. This is a car. 1 car is on the shelf, 7 cards are on the floor. Here 7 cards are there. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 cards are on the floor. So 1 plus 7 is equal to, so total how many? Count it. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, the answer is 8. Here 8 cards are in the row. The second question is, 4 shoes are on the top shelf, 2 shoes are on the bottom shelf. Here look at the picture, students. टॉप सेल्फ मतलब ऊपर में कितना शूज है? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 shoes are on the top shelf, 2 shoes are on the bottom shelf. Bottom means middle. So how many? 1, 2. Yes, 2. So we have to write the numbers here. 4 plus 2 is equal to, you have to count the numbers. Write the answer. Then third question is, 1 teddy is on the chair, 1 teddy is in the book rack, 1 teddy is on the floor, 1 teddy is on the chair. Is there chair? Yes, it's there. This is a chair. 1 teddy is on the chair. This is a first teddy. Second, first teddy is in the book rack. Yes, this is a book rack. This is a teddy. Second teddy. Third one, 1 teddy is on the floor. Yes, there. This is a third. So 3 teddies are in the row. So we are, this is adding 3 numbers. Okay, this is all 2 numbers. This is adding 3 numbers. So we have to put numbers 1 plus 1. 1 teddy is on, that is 1 plus 1 teddy is in the book rack, that is this one, plus then 1 teddy is on the floor, this one. So 1 plus 1 plus is equal to, so total how many teddies are in the row? Yes, you have to count the teddies and write the answer. Then fourth one, 1 picture is on the floor, 2 pictures are on the wall. See, look at, 1 picture is on the floor. Look at the picture here. Yes, this is a pictures on the floor. This is first. Then 2 pictures are on the wall. Yes, 2 pictures. 1, 2. Yes, 2 pictures are on the wall. So total how many pictures are in the room? Yes, you have to write the number plus. Sorry, first 1 plus 2. So total how many pictures are in the room? Yes, you have to count the pictures and write the answer here. Then fifth one is, 8 books are on the shelf, 1 book is on the chair. Yes, 8 books are on the shelf. Here 8 books are here. Okay. Then next, 1 book is on the chair here. 1 book is on the chair. So total how many books are here? Count it. So here write the numbers here. 8 plus 1 is equal to total how many books are here? Count the numbers and write the answer here. The next one also like that. Rahul, the first one, Rahul has 4 pencils, Sonu has 5 pencils. Here Rahul has 4 pencils. Here how many pencils are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 pencils. Sonu, here how many pencils are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 pencils are here. So there are 4 plus 5 is equal to, here see, 4 plus 5. We have to add the numbers. 4 plus 5 is equal to, what is the answer? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, the answer is 9. Here 9 pencils are here. Then second question is, 2 cats are under the table, 4 cats are on the table. Look at the picture here. 1, 2. 2 cats are under the table, 4 cats are on the table. So total how many cats are here? Yes, we have to write first 2 plus 4. We have to add the 2 numbers, count the numbers and write the answer here. Then third question is, Ajay has 3 books, Granny gives him 3 more books. Ajay has already 3 books. Now Granny gives him 3 books more. So total how many books? 3 plus 3 is equal to total how many books? Count the books and write the answer here. Then fourth one, 5 birds are on the branch, 3 birds are in the nest. Yes, here see, this is a 5 birds are on the branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 birds are on the branch and 3 birds are in the nest. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. So 5 plus 3. We have to count the birds and write the answer here. Then fifth one, 1 pencil costs 2 rupees, 1 pen costs 5 rupees. Here 1 pencil costs 2 rupees. 2 plus 1 pen cost 5 rupees. 5 rupees here. So 2 plus 5 is equal to total how much rupees? Count the numbers and write the answer here. Then sixth one is, Harry colored 8 flowers, Rana colored 1 flower. See here, how many flowers are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, Harry colored 8 flowers, Rana colored only 1 flower. This is 1 flower. So total how many flowers are here? 8 plus 1 is equal to total how many flowers? How many flowers? Count the flowers and write the answer here. Students, if you have Max book, you write in the Max book. If you don't have Max book, you write in the Max classwork copy. Your handwriting should be neat and clear. Thank you.